Good day. Today we'll cover how to automate the use of a Windows software update server, sometimes known as an intranet update server, using group policy. Local group policy can be accessed by going to the Start menu and typing in gpedit.msc, MSC, Mike Sierra Charlie. As soon as you do that, you can right-click this and run as administrator. That will open up the local group policy editor. You want to use a computer policy as opposed to a user policy. We'll go into the administrative templates, Windows components, and we'll click standard just so we can get a little more real estate here. We'll scroll to the bottom where our screen says Windows Update. We're looking for the Specify Intranet Microsoft Update Service location. As soon as you double click on this and maximize it, you'll want to take a look at some of the context sensitive help, especially toward the end where it talks about Microsoft recommending secure connections for update services using HTTPS. When you configure your Windows software update server, the options are pretty plain in there. We're going to go ahead and click Enable in order to activate this option, and we'll type in the name of our actual Windows software update server. So in the domain environment with your virtual machine, when you use Remote Desktop, Microsoft Remote Desktop, you can type in hermes.groovy.local, and you also want to copy and paste this using Control-C and then Control-V into the Intranet Statistics server. The Windows Software Update Services has a statistics server that helps you track how many systems have updated, which ones are left, gives you granular information. I'm going to click Apply, and then I'm going to close my gpedit console. There's one last thing I need to do to implement. Oh, and by the way, you should have taken a screenshot of that last screen showing the configuration with Hermes on the screen. And then there's one more screenshot here. You want to right-click your command prompt and start this as an administrator. You'll want to issue a command in order to implement your group policy for update services immediately. The command is called gpupdate, and then you'll put a space and a / followed by the word force. When you execute this, it'll update policy first with the computer and then with the user. It'll tell you if it's successfully implemented. You can include this command in startup scripts for machines so that policies are automatically refreshed each time. You'll want a second screenshot to include with your submission. This concludes our walkthrough of specifying an intranet Windows Software Update server to automate, to greatly enhance very fast, very secure, very quick automatic updates. So why is that important? Just a quick plug. Most users ignore the pop-ups that say, hey, you have an update. You need to update things. If you have this automated update server and all the local systems, all the Windows machines, automatically enforce update on the local network. This is 1,000 times faster, and one local copy can update hundreds of machines, which means you don't have to download from the internet hundreds of copies of those very large files. Helps conserve internet bandwidth, and and it keeps your machines safer and your users happy, because it basically loads those quickly and it's out of the way, so their work isn't disrupted. We'll sign off for now. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned.